Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we tackle all things cleaning so you don't have to. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the ultimate showdowns, spin mop versus traditional mop. Which one will reign supreme in your cleaning arsenal? Grab a cup of coffee or maybe a mop and let's find out. So, let's start by taking a look at the heavy hitter that's been around for decades. The traditional mop. This classic tool has probably been part of every household at some point. It's simple, reliable, and gets the job done. But does it still have a place in a world full of new cleaning gadgets? First off, when it comes to absorption, the traditional mop really shines. It soaks up a ton of water, meaning you can cover larger areas before needing to dunk it back into the bucket. But let's be real, the downside? You have to wring it out by hand. So if you're not a fan of getting your hands wet and dealing with a soaking mop head, it can be, let's just say, a bit messy. Next up is stain-fighting power. The traditional mop does a solid job with most messes, but when it comes to tougher, stuck-on grime, it might need a little extra elbow grease. Not ideal if you're trying to save your back, right? But hey, if you grew up mopping with one of these, you know it can handle just about anything if you're willing to put in the work. Now let's talk about maneuverability. This is where the traditional mop tends to struggle. Getting under tight spaces like couches or tables? Not exactly its strong suit. Plus, you've got to drag around a bucket filled with water. Not super convenient, especially if you've got a lot of rooms to clean or stairs to deal with. So what's the verdict on the traditional mop? It's a classic, no doubt about it, but it comes with its share of old-school inconveniences. All right, time to flip the script and talk about the challenger, the spin mop. If you've never tried one of these, let me tell you, it's like the sports car of mops. The spin mop promises efficiency, ease, and way less hassle. But does it deliver? Let's start with one of its biggest selling points, the wringer. Unlike the traditional mop, you're not wringing this one out by hand. Instead, it uses a built-in spinning mechanism, usually in the bucket, that does all the hard work for you. Just step on a pedal or push down the handle, and the mop head spins dry in seconds. Your hands stay dry, your mop isn't dripping all over the floor, and you're ready to keep going in no time. Next up, cleaning performance. This is where things get interesting. Spin mops are typically made with microfiber, which is known for being super effective at picking up dirt and grime, much more so than the traditional cotton mop head. Microfiber fibers trap more dust and dirt, making it easier to clean both dry and wet messes. And for tough stains, the spin mop usually wins. Its mop head tends to have a scrubbing texture that works great on stubborn spots without requiring much effort. When it comes to drying time, spin mops are hands down the winner. Because the spinning mechanism gets rid of excess water, your floors dry way faster than they do with a traditional mop. So if you've got kids or pets running around, or you just don't want to wait forever for your floors to dry, this is a huge plus. As for maneuverability, this is another area where the spin mop shines. Thanks to its 360-degree swivel head, it can easily get under furniture, around corners, and into tight spaces. You'll spend less time contorting your body trying to reach every nook and cranny, and more time just mopping. One thing to keep in mind though, spin mops are a little more delicate. They might not last as long as traditional mops if you're using them on really rough surfaces. And let's face it, there's more moving parts, so it's possible something could break down the line. Alright, so now you're probably wondering, which mop should I go for? Well, it depends on your cleaning needs. If you're dealing with heavy-duty messes or large areas, the traditional mop is a trusty workhorse. It's not fancy, but it's reliable, and it can soak up a lot of water in one go. Perfect for bigger jobs or older homes where you've got lots of space to cover. On the other hand, if you want something that's quick, easy, and effective, and you're over the whole wringing by hand thing, then the spin mop is a no-brainer. It's especially great for homes with hardwood or tile floors, where you need precision cleaning without soaking the floor. Now here's a pro tip. You can actually use both. A lot of people like to keep the spin mop for their everyday cleaning, but bring out the traditional mop for deep cleaning sessions or heavy messes. So there you have it, folks. The traditional mop brings nostalgia and durability, while the spin mop offers ease, efficiency, and faster results. Both are solid options, but which one's going to make its way into your cleaning routine? Let us know in the comments which mop you think deserves the win. Are you sticking with the tried and true traditional mop? Or are you ready to spin your way into the future of cleaning? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cleaning tips and reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Stay spotless, and we'll see you next time.